Hey guys, I want to play a little prank on Jason. Shh.
I want to go to Yogurtland so badly. Oh, you little
Smile.
Oh shit. Oh, you had to do that, huh? And you're recording it, aren't you? Ooh, tasty. It tastes like whipped cream, doesn't it? Let me get it all over your skin and all over your... the camera! Hi guys, I don't know why we're doing this, honestly. The one of my love, she really did it, not me, I swear. Now we gotta get this stuff off our hands. And now it's all over my face. And we're still recording, are we?
Yeah.
You got me on that one.